Brought to you by Techno Camon 30 series.
जनता Hardik Pandya. Good to see you, HP. Chats first and foremost. मैं बड़े time से I've been, I've obviously seen the logo. I knew that I'm doing the event, but Alakshi, you can see that smile. Just tell us a little more about this logo. I think in many ways it describes you. Fully describes your strength, your story, your determination. This is your moment, Hardik.
First of all, thank you for everybody who's here. Means a lot for me. Coming back to the logo, logo was good 8-9 months of back and forth and trying to get something which represents strength, power, never give up attitude. So when we started working on it, we didn't know what exactly we want. And as soon as the pieces started coming together, we started seeing the glimpse of the bolt, HP and Hardik Pandya written, which kind of struck to our eye. And from that to this journey, very happy to have my logo, which wanted for a long time.
And we're going to talk more about it because he's been a very hard taskmaster. It's not very easy. He said when the pieces came together, we'll talk about the journey, how the pieces came together. But what do we do with this? We've got to do with something with the logo, right? And that's where, in many ways, it's a very historic moment. So happy, Hardik, this is your moment because for the very first time, an Indian athlete has worked with an Indian brand to come out with this fabulous performance. What is it? I think it's only fair that we let the screen do the talking before you do the talking. Please. Hardik Pandya, which now we can grab a piece of Hardik Pandya, but how? Let's find out. Hardik Pandya performance wear exclusively on Fan Code Shop. Hardik Pandya, this must feel so special, right? I can just imagine. This is what I said, right? Imagine wherever you're sitting, just for a moment, you aspire to go on to do something big. You aspire to go on and play a sport. You have people you watch. You have starry-eyed dreams within. And today, here you are, a World Cup champion, an absolute role model, and you have your own line. How does it feel, Hardik?
To be very, very honest, feels like a dream. For a very, very long time, I wanted to come up with something which, I want to curate it. I wanted to kind of make sure that, my fans and all the love which I have got, if they wear this, they should feel the love which I have put in this product.
मैच से जुड़े आपके हर सवाल का हम देंगे जवाब। जानने के लिए हर अपडेट, लाइव एनालिसिस, स्पेशल इंटरव्यूज, डाउनलोड कीजिए स्पोर्ट्स द कैंप।